A surviving roommate in the University of Idaho quadruple murders is fighting a court order to appear at accused murderer Bryan Kohberger's preliminary hearing set for June. In late December, Kohberger was arrested for the murders of 4 students who were found stabbed to death in their off-campus home in November of last year. He was extradited from his parents' home in Pennsylvania to Moscow, Idaho. Since then, he's been held at the Latah County Jail. Court documents from March 24th show a magistrate judge ruled Bethany Funk must attend Kohberger's upcoming preliminary hearing. At the time of the murders, Funk was in her bedroom on the first floor of the home on King Road. The other surviving roommate, Dylan Mortensen, later told police she saw the suspect after the crime. As Law&Crime Network reported, Mortensen, labeled in the affidavit as DM, said she heard a male voice say something to the effect of, "It's okay, I'm going to help you," just before 4:30 on the morning of the murders. The court document goes on to say Mortensen saw the suspect, describing, quote, "the figure as 5'10" or taller, male, not very muscular, but athletically built with bushy eyebrows. At the time, Mortensen said she stood in a frozen shock phase. Hours later, at 11:58 a.m., the 911 call for the murders came in. Kohberger's defense team filed court documents on March 24th, asking the court to, quote, "assist in securing the attendance of Bethany Funk as a witness on behalf of the defendant in this case." In support of this, a criminal investigator hired by the defense team reported facts about the case, pointing out that Funk's bedroom was on the first floor of the home, that she was interviewed by police on multiple occasions, and she was at the home when 911 was called, as well as when investigators arrived on the scene to discover the homicides. Throughout the document, Funk's last name is spelled F-U-N-K, missing the E. Funk's legal representation points this out in court documents filed on April 21st, noting Funk's name is, quote, "repeatedly misspelled throughout the defense's filing." Funk's team argues these claims lack support, saying the subpoena was issued by a clerk of court without a hearing, meaning Funk didn't have a chance to address her concerns. They also point out Funk is now out of state, living in Nevada. Her attorneys filed a motion for the court to quash the subpoena that would require her to attend the hearing. So far, a hearing date has not been set to discuss whether Funk will be required to testify. As of now, Kohberger's preliminary hearing is still on schedule to begin on June 26th. It's expected to last multiple days. Reporting for Law&Crime Network, I'm Gillespie.